Bang bang, what's up YouTube? I'm Redicus back here, bringing you guys another video. Take a look, we're inside of an E63S. I just want to go over the menu options. So as you can see, if you guys own one of these, I just want to go over the menu real quick. You navigate with this. And I'm just going to show you all the menu options. So right now I'm at the trip center. This is going to tell you miles per hour. Also, you can time your drives. So you can reset this and it'll give you like averages as well as like run time. It also has an option from when you start the car. It will tell you how much mileage you've done and the average miles per gallon, average speed. Here's the range. Super important. This thing does eat a lot of gas because it's a V8, and this one's gonna tell you like just your mileage of the car and then like trip information as well. Going to the next one, it will show you your navigation, and I believe that's all it shows on this menu. The next one is gonna show you your audio, and you can actually change the song from right here. So going up, we'll change the track. I'm not gonna, play music, but the speakers in this car are really good. We'll go into the next. This is your phone book. This will like show you stuff on the phone. And this is where you're gonna find all your information on, blind spot, lane keep assist. This one is not working, unfortunately. Let me see about this. So yeah, they got a lot of options right there. There's the assist graphic. A lot of good information on that. This is where you're gonna access all your, information on tire pressure, service records as well. This you can change, like all the stuff right here. Here's all your light stuff. You can change the color of the ambient color, the brightness of it. Super cool stuff. Surround lighting, light delay. There's also vehicle auto lock, acoustic lock, which is nice. And you can also change entry and exit. This will help with the wheel going up. This helps with when your seatbelts will fasten. You can disable that. Also, your auto mirror folding, you can disable that as well. And you only press OK when you're on the menu to change it. And then at the bottom is your factory settings. You can actually reset the whole thing to factory. And then only on the AMG models, I believe you're gonna get this option. It's all the way, it's its own tab. This is really good. It tells you your engine temp as well as I believe the transmission temp. You can also set lap times, which is like good for like 0 to 60s. And then this menu will tell you what your settings are on. I think the best one is probably going to be Sport Plus mode in this car. You're also going to have options for your adaptive suspension. AMG mode basically just takes everything to the max. And yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps anyone, wanting some information on their car. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Americus out. Peace.